Alright, welcome to my video again. In previous video, I just show you how to install Wazuh with Elastic integration. So in this video, I will show you how to simulate the attack to my Windows server. In this case, we are from red team, and then check it in Wazuh server or from blue team. So right now we are from same side, blue team and red team. We want to check the log in Wazuh server. So how I'm doing that? First of all, I will show you what is major attack. Major attack is knowledge base of tactics and technique designer for threat hunters, defender, and red team to classify the attack. So like this, maybe technique reconnaissance, R&D, maybe initial access, and then this is the technique, maybe privilege escalation. This is the technique. There are so many techniques that can use to attack the system, and or maybe to avoid defense evasion. So like this, and then I will show you. I will use atomic red team to simulate the attack from red team. Atomic red team is library based from major attack for tests that every security team can execute to simulate and validate their defense. So like I said before, we want from red team side, and then we are going to blue team side. So just first of all, we install the requirement. Just type github atomic red team. We going to github. Okay, this is the GitHub page from atomic red team, and this is open source, so free. Okay, we are going to here getting started. Prefer your environment. So in my environment, I will using Windows server, my Windows server, and then choose a test. We are using test to Windows here. So in here there is a many tactic that listed in here. There are so many, and we are using maybe 1, 2 or 3 technique so that we can see the log from Wazuh server in here. In security events, even now there are many attempting to gaining my Windows. So this is, maybe you can look at this example from Russia trying to hack or taking control of my RDP connection. I'm using RDP to connect my Windows server. So yeah, you can look at this. so many try attempt to gain access. So this is the tactic that use it. So defensive evasion, persistence, private escalation, initial access, and then the last is impact. Yeah, they are maybe they are trying to brute force my RDP. Yes, Russia with this IP. So many attempt. Yeah, okay, we just moving on to here, going back to here to atomic rating. So this is so many technique that matter attack release. We are going try 2 or 3 maybe to test my Windows, so we can check in Windows with Wasu. I mean Wasu server. Yeah. Okay. This we are running using an execution framework. So the popular execution framework called Invoke Atomic Rating. This is like a framework that to test. So first of all, installation. I will use this. First of all, don't forget to bypass first, because usually cannot be load. So like this, cannot be load running script disabled on the system. I just try before to make this video, so I will show you the fast way. So the first is, don't forget to bypass the PowerShell. Just copy. Don't forget to run in Windows PowerShell. Yeah. Okay. Just copy and paste it. Okay, it's done. The second part is don't forget to make an exclusion, because we are trying to download maybe malware or share or something that behavior to our Windows. So usually Windows Defender is detect it. So in here I am show to you how to exclude folder. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, we first of all we just download first, and then we make exclusion in here. Wait. Okay, in here install execution framework and atomic folder. Okay, just copy and paste it here. Oh, this is an error, code not create SSL. Wait. Oh, just copy this. Enter. Okay, it's done. And then download it. just copy the command from here, copy. Okay, it's done. And then install atomic red team get atomics. So after this is running, don't forget to exclusion in Windows Defender. Wait, execute a folder, see atomic red team in here. If you don't exclude the folder, it's automatically Windows Defender is detect the virus or maybe cell or something. In here we just want to test. Okay, this is why. Just follow the instruction until it's done. So the installation is complete and successful. So maybe we just check the to the directory. Yeah, in here it's complete and successful. Okay, and then we going to the next step, to import the module. So just copy this command, import the module that we just download. Okay, enter. Okay, it's done. And then we are going to list atomic test. So the technique is so many, right? So the T1003 or T1098 or etc. In here we can use this command to check, maybe can run from Windows platform, Linux or something, or maybe in any operating system, so like that. So I will use this. I will use this technique, this. Maybe I will use this T1136001. Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay. T1136001 is create a local account, create a new user in command prompt, create a new user in PowerShell, and create a new admin user. So I will use this. Okay, copy. Okay, enter. So we are using this T11. So details brief. Okay, the detail is like here: create a new user, create a new in command prompt, create a new user in PowerShell, and create a new Windows in new Windows admin user. Okay. And then maybe we check prerequisites. So this is check like requirement to run the test, to atomic test. Okay, we just check the requirement like this. Check. Okay, when it's all green, so you are good to go because the requirement is complete. You can run the test. Okay, if you find the system does not meet the requirement, so you can use the get. Maybe in other technique we can use that to get the requirement. Okay, we can execute the test. Okay, to execute the test, just type like this. Invoke atomic test and then the technique. You can use test number 1 or number 2, but I will test the all module, like create a new user and create Windows admin user. So just run it, enter. Okay, the test is, I think this is good, so maybe we can check to the blue team set or CM in Vasus server. You can look at here the time 10:29 or 10:30 PM. We can check it in Vasu. Nah, this is the log. Yeah, this is the tag lah. This is from the Windows Test Atomic. The system image is the log is like this. A member was added to security enabled global group. So, and then the rule meter technique is domain policy modification. The major tactic is defense evasion and privilege escalation. So in here the tactic is persistence, user account enabled or created or run by Windows Test Atomic. Even this is domain group, user group change agent name is Windows Test Atomic. Yeah, and then this administrator group is changed. This, so we can see that the tactic we use to this Windows using create account or local account, this tactic is being recorded in Wasu server, so we can check in the log. So maybe the threat actor is being running using this tactic. Yeah, this is, there is domain user and user account and administrator group. this is so very danger to our system, so like that. And so maybe I will show you how to stop this brute force. Wait, this is from Russia again. Wait, I will show you how to stop it. So first of all, we are going to this, we run and type this secpo.msc. okay, we are going to local policies and then security option, and then we are going to incoming anti-alarm traffic. Okay, just deny all account, apply, yes. Okay, so this is basically is incoming anti-alarm traffic. So maybe someone is trying to force your system or whatever to gain the access, so we are just block the traffic using this method, and then we can check here are they are still brute force. Okay, just wait, maybe just wait 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, the create a call account is success. Create a call account is a success. So maybe the second technique is I will use this. Maybe this is maybe this T1078.003. what is this? Maybe we can look at first. Okay, create a local account with admin privilege, and then WinPwn with PowerShell Kitty and safety catch. So maybe we can test with this technique. Okay, going to this, same like before, invoke atomic test and then just write the technique. So right here, just hit enter. Oh, I'm sorry, maybe I forgot to check the requirement. Wait, yeah, if you get error like this is because it's random, usually. Wait, I will see this call.create. Oh, maybe this is just see SSLTLS cure. Wait, I will check, I will get the requirement, maybe we can fix that. Okay, there is no requirement defined, so I think just this, the SSLTLS secure channel. Wait, I will try again one more. Yeah, this is create local account with admin privilege is the command completed successfully. Maybe we can check to the Wazoo server. Wait, like this, same like before. Wait, yeah, this is administrator group change like before. The log is like before because we are using the account, local account, to trigger in the system. So in the Wazoo it's same, the log is same, but actually if we dig deep, I think this there is a different with this tactic. Yeah, this is different Mitra technique. That is valid account. Before is wait. This is this is before is domain policy modification, and the last is the newer is domain policy modification. There is something that is a different tactic, but actually it's maybe similar using local accounts, so like that. Okay, maybe the third is I will using this tactic T1531. Okay, this is the account access removal. So this is change user password and delete user windows and remove account from domain admin group. So we just test it. T1531. Okay, before you run the tactic, I giving you advice to maybe check the requirement first. If you want the test run is so smoothly. Okay, wait. T15 and check. This is prerequisites are not met, so you can take it first, get the requirement. Just wait until the download or install is done. Okay, I think this is the Azure command line interface is installed. Okay, it's done. I think it's done. Okay, we can run it. What is the time? Okay, 10:41. Okay, enter. Okay, we'll check in the Wazoo server. Wait. So yeah, this user account disabled or deleted. The tactic is T1531 like we used before. The agent name is Windows Atomic. A user account was deleted. Okay. The technique is account manipulation, account access removal. So the test is successful, so we can check it in the Wazoo server and then running smoothly in the Windows side. Okay, wait, yeah, and then we got this to domain and user group change. Okay, Windows test atomic. The technique is domain policy modification. So yeah, I think successful. Okay, maybe we try the last tactic, yeah. So T1150.003. Okay, we run. Okay, I'm sorry, maybe I typo for this. 1150, wait. Yeah, I think typo. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I will one. Yeah, I don't know for the last tactic. Yeah, I think I typo to write this. Okay, maybe we just take one example one. Wait, maybe I will use. Oh, this is just okay. 1078. Okay, it's done. Wait, I will maybe use the other way. Okay, it's done. T1531. Maybe we can go into. Okay, oh, I think this, maybe this. Oh, sorry, not this. Okay, this is discovery. Maybe we can use this, maybe brute force credential stuffing, maybe. Yeah, maybe we try use this. Okay, don't forget to check the requirement before you run. Yeah, like this. So we download first the requirement. Okay, I think okay. I think there is some error again, called not create SSL, or maybe we can take this secure SSL. Wait. Okay. Oh, I think there is the same error message. Okay, there is so many tactic that we are not we cannot test one by one, so maybe we can use this, maybe output first. Oh no, let's create this access. Alright, okay, maybe this video is stop right here. So I think this is successful. So when we test using atomic red team based on major attack, like so many tactics here in this Wazoo server or in the CM, actually detect it when so anomaly in your computer. So I think this is very helpful to security analysts like me to analyze what's happened in the computer. Alright. Okay. Thank you for this video. Maybe in the next video I will show you how to installing the Suricata. Wait. Suricata. Yeah, the IPS or an IDS, intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system. So I will show you how to install and maybe run the rule to configure the rule. So maybe when we scanning, when using Nmap or something, we can drop it, auto drop the service like that, scanning like this, in this reconnaissance like this, we can drop the tactic like that. Okay, thank you for the time, and see you again.